Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with yet another video of full face of K-Beauty. I'm going to apply all the products of K-Beauty onto my face and I'm going to create this look here. So if you want to see how I have created this look with all the products of K-Beauty, then keep on watching this video. So without a further delay, let's start this video. First of all, I will apply this sunscreen on all over my face, so it will also work as a shield and it also work as a primer. So I will take just a little bit of that and I apply it all over my face. Now for the lips, I am applying this Nivea lip balm. Now moving towards the makeup, and first of all I'm applying this foundation from K-Beauty and I'm in the shade 120Y. It has this very beautiful glass sort of packaging and it has a puff with it, so it would be very helpful for me to apply this foundation. I'll take a little bit on the back of my hand. This foundation has a sheer coverage and it does not get build up. So I'm using PAC brush, PAC 265 to blend the foundations. I will get a good coverage with this foundation. So as you can see that I have applied one layer of the foundation, but it has a sheer coverage, so all my spots and the pigmentation has not covered well, but this is a very good foundation for day-to-day usage. So I am using a little bit of foundation wherever I need it, just a bit of the layering. It says K-Beauty foundations are hydrating as well and it has SPF as well, so I actually really feeling that it has a quite dewy sort of finish and it is really hydrating to my skin. Okay, I must say that this foundation doesn't feel very that I'm using anything on my face and it is very lightweighted. So moving further, to set my foundation onto place, I'm going to apply this loose powder from K-Beauty. So this is the loose powder. I'm just applying it. So the loose powder is also very lightweighted and it glides onto my face like really fast and it does not has that chunky particles. It's very smooth. So now for the bronzing purpose, I'm using this K-Beauty Compact 180Y and it is like this. So I'm using this brush here, just like this. And I'm using this tilted brush from Cuffs and Lashes. You can see that. So you can see the difference here now. I've got a good sculpted face. Now moving further on to my eyes, I'm applying the same matte compact for creating the depth on my eyes. So you can see that now how beautifully it has created that depth onto my eyelids. So now to highlight my face, I'm using this K Beauty highlighter, and it's a very beautiful highlighter. So I'm using this brush from Cuffs and Lashes. I'm applying the highlighter onto the highest point of my face.
See that?
It's really enhancing the whole look onto my face. If you're going somewhere casually, even then you can apply this highlighter and it will not look so glossy onto your face. This gives you a very nice finish. Now to give some color onto my eyes, I'm using this K Beauty crayon lipstick. So this is the shade, and I'm using a little bit onto my eyes. So with the brush I have blended the lipstick very well. I use the lipstick as an eyeshadow. You can definitely use your makeup products in multiple ways like this. I'm also using this as a blush onto my face. That is enough, I think, to highlight, to give a shimmery look to my eyeshadow. I'm using my fingers itself. Wow, this is so beautiful. I have not expected this, but it is coming out so beautifully. Now moving further, I'm applying this kajal from K Beauty. I'm using it as an eyeliner. So I've applied this blue eyeliner. Now I'm applying this K Beauty kajal. For my eyebrows, I'm just taking a little bit of this kajal onto my back of my hands, and now I'm going to use this brush. So with that, I have done my eyebrows as well. You can see that. I'm going to create some more drama onto my lower lash line. So I'm using this royal blue kajal again. I'm using this smudger. I'm just smudging it out onto my lower lash line. So with that, I have smudged the whole liner and created this drama look onto my eyes. So I'm using some more of a highlighter to the corners of my eyes. The final step is applying the lipstick, and for that I'm using the same lipstick. It's complete matte and it does not feel dry onto my lips. So with that, we have come to the end of this video, guys. I have created full face of K-Beauty products. I have used all the products from K-Beauty and I hope you also like it. I really appreciate how the whole look has been turned out, and all the products are so good and it goes onto my face very well, especially the highlighter. It's a must buy from this series. I hope you guys have liked this video, and do this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also comment down below the best product that you have liked. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, do subscribe to it. Also share it, also hit that bell icon, so if the new video would come up, you will get to know about it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.